Okay, so a few of you had asked me about these discussion posts. They may be a little different every week. If I ask you to send me something, it's typically going to be via email to me and probably other students as well. You may occasionally do a video. It may occasionally do a group project. Just kind of depends. But it's going to be something that shouldn't take you probably more than 10 or 15 minutes to do. And if you do happen to be doing a video of some sort, we're not looking for Steven Spielberg quality videos. We're just looking for what's in the content. So if the camera's shaky, if the have to back up and change something in the middle of it, I have to do that as well. So again, not looking for Hollywood type stuff. But anyway, to get on with what we need to do here, I sent you this, and there's just 3 questions that I want you to take a look at and email me and your fellow users about. And let me go into student mode because it keeps wanting to let me edit something I shouldn't be able to edit in this mode. So here's these 3 questions right here. And it may take you a little bit later just to kind of, I know we're not quite fully done with our first week, but anyway, just kind of wanting to get your first impression, how you kind of like the orientation video, what can be improved about your first week, what's missing, what would be help you have a better first week, and any other suggestions you might have. So again, if you spend more than 10 or so 15 minutes on this, you're probably spending too long. I'm not looking for any major revelations, but I am looking for some good insight. So I'm going to copy these questions. I'm going to go over here to email, and I'm going to say all users, and subject can be week 1 or whatever the email or announcement said. I'm going to paste, which I have to do even though I right click and hit paste, it's going to tell me that I have to use a Control V. That's because of my web browser. So Control V is the shortcut key for paste. And I'm just going to paste those questions, and I'm going to answer them. What was the smoothest part of your first full week? Might have been getting to class. I don't know. Might have been the easiest part. What can be improved about your first week? Maybe a longer week. I know this first week goes by very quickly. Looking for a little more than that, but you're getting the idea. What suggestions do you have for easing into your first week? Maybe a steak dinner would be good. Don't count on it, but anyway. At that point, you would just simply hit submit. I'm not going to do this, so I won't go out to everybody. But only do this in the course that you're starting with. I realize some of you may be in 3 or 4 different courses. Only do this in the one I asked you to start with, not every single course. Otherwise, I'd just be getting the same answers in 3 or 4 different courses. So that's it. It's as simple as that. And each week, like I said, maybe a little different. But as always, if you have questions, come see me or drop me an email. I'll be glad to answer. Thanks.